here in the line. It's going to try and bow out, and you might have some rotation.
What would you do? What would you do for a Klondike bar? Do you want some ice cream? Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. You love it. What would you do for a Klondike bar?
Severe weather alert. Here is a live look
What
at
would
your
you
ABC
do?
27 storm
I want the Klondike bar. I'll give you the ice
For more
cream
information,
sandwich.
please tune in to ABC 27 or go to
Want some ice cream?
abc27.com.
What do you do for ice cream? Tell me. What do you do? What do you do? Bella, what do you do? What can you do? Oh, buddy, you're such a good little doggy. Tell me what you do. Oh, good boy. No, wait. Bella gets the bigger one. He's a little dog. All right. All right. All done. Now I get mine.